one of the most important things to focus on as we age is building strength, not just in the gym, but in everyday life. Strength training helps improve bone density, muscle mass, joint integrity, posture, and prevents you from getting injured.
A lot of people focus only on cardio, walking, running, cycling, swimming. And while that's great for your heart and overall health, it's only one piece of the picture. Without strength, your body doesn't have the support it needs. Your muscles are what protects your joints, help you stay stable, and allow you to move with control. If those muscles are weak, everyday movements can start to feel harder. And over time, that's when aches and pains and injuries can start to show up. That's why strength training is always part of the plan. We focus on building strength safely with the right technique and at the right level for each person.